Saving money while engaging in graffiti art can be done with several strategies. First, consider using budget-friendly materials. So instead of expensive spray paint, look for discounts or bulk purchase options at your local art supply stores. You can also experiment with acrylic paints. Acrylic paints or homemade painting using simple ingredients, which can be cost effective. All right. Next, practice your techniques on inexpensive surfaces. So basically, use cardboard or old canvases to refine your skills before making more expensive materials your move. Additionally, seek out discarded surfaces in urban areas like walls or furniture while you can practice legally. All right. So collaborate with other artists to to share supplies and tools. This not only saves you money, but also allows for creative exchanges and community building. Consider making your own stencils from cardboard or plastic sheets. All right. This can reduce your reduce costs compared to buying pre-made stencils. Finally, participate in community events or workshops that focus on graffiti. All right. So basically, these often provide free and low-cost materials for opportunities to connect with people and enhance, your skills, and you're gonna love it. Always looking at your budget. By following these tips, you can enjoy graffiti art while keeping your expenses in check.